Ever dreamed of bringing a unique character to life across an entire story, ensuring they look the same from scene to scene? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of Leonardo AI's consistent character feature, the secret weapon for any visual storyteller. Step 1 is all about laying the foundation, selecting your hero image. This is the blueprint for your character's identity. Choose a clear, well-lit portrait that captures their essence, their defining features, unique hairstyle, and even subtle expressions. Once you have your hero image, it's time to craft your prompt. Think of this as describing your character to a brilliant artist. Be incredibly specific instead of just a knight. Try a stoic knight with piercing blue eyes, a jagged scar across their left cheek, and a raven black braid reaching their shoulder. Now, let's integrate your character's DNA in Leonardo AI. There's a crucial section for image prompt, or init image. Upload your carefully chosen hero image. Here, this tells the AI, "This is what I want you to remember and replicate." The image-to-image strength slider is your best friend for consistency. A higher setting will cling more tightly to your reference image. Ensuring features are accurately maintained. Experiment to find that sweet spot where your character is recognizable, but still allows for creative variation within your prompt. Next, generate. Observe your results. Are the key features intact? Does the overall vibe match your vision? If not, it's time to refine. Refinement is key. Tweak your descriptive words in the prompt. Maybe that scar needs to be a thin, white scar. Perhaps the blue eyes should be unsettlingly luminous blue eyes. Regenerate and compare. Don't forget negative prompts. Use them to exclude elements that might creep in and dilute your character's identity, like different hair color or unfamiliar facial structure. By combining a strong hero image, precise prompting, and smart use of Leonardo AI's tools, you can achieve remarkable character consistency, bringing your unique creations to life with a truly cohesive visual identity. Happy creating!